Hello everyone, welcome to Excel Logics. My name is Sunil Pandey and today we are going to learn how to find and remove duplicate values in Excel or merge them. Okay, so today we will talk about if you are working on Excel file and if you have come across any duplicate values to how to remove the duplicate values or how to merge them, especially if it gets updated regularly. If you're dealing with Excel file and you need to update regularly, and even more so if it gets updated by multiple people. Suppose you are working a file and that file particular shared by someone else also, and the most of more than one people are working on the same file. So one of the issue you'll probably come across is duplicate values. Okay, so finding and getting rid of duplicate cells is easy in a small spreadsheet. It is just a matter of looking through your data and copying and pasting a few cells. But this process can become significantly more time consuming in large spreadsheet. If you are working a large spreadsheet, this is this task is very time consuming. Okay, so you could use the data filter to go through each value individually, but that could take an hours. Okay, fortunately Excel has some great tool for finding and dealing with these duplicates values. Okay, we have inbuilt function in Excel for doing this, for removing duplicate and finding the duplicates. Okay, and merging the duplicates. So let's have a look with the example. Okay, the first we are going to see finding duplicates with the easy way. Okay, the first one is highlighting duplicate values. So let's see with the example. Okay, I have mentioned over here the step also. This is the first example, the name, and this is the like employee numbers like this. Okay, so we need to find out, we need to highlight the name which is duplicate, which name is duplicate. So simply what you are going to do, just select this and go to home, and here conditional formatting, click on this, highlighting cell rules, and here duplicate value, just click on that. When you click on that, there is one box is appear over here. So duplicate value has been highlighted over here. If you see, if you want to change some colors, you can change it from here. Suppose this one, I click OK. OK, see. So these are the duplicate value. You can filter it. Okay, just go to data, filter, and here filter by color. See, these names are duplicate. Okay, so this is the first way to highlight the duplicates. Okay, highlighting the duplicate values. And now we will see removing duplicates value. The above method is nice because it highlights duplicate value, so you can come back to a spreadsheet and find them again quickly. Okay, and if you would like to get rid of duplicate without highlighting, you can do that also. To get started, select the list in which you would like to remove duplicates entry. We will select the full name columns. Okay, so what we are going to do, we'll take this example only. Okay, I've just removed that one, and we need the unique data here. Okay, the main data should be here only, and we would require the unique name started from here. So simply what you are going to do, just click on data, and here is option called advanced. Okay, Just click on that. You can select this, okay, copy to another location, and here don't forget to tick mark this unique records only and copy to, you have to give the range here, okay. I'll or here I'll click here, okay. See, these are the unique name 21, and here how many is 25. So these are the unique name. You just need to go to advanced. It's already been selected. Copy to another location. In this time I'm going to give this range. Click on unique records only. See, unique records, okay. So this is the removing duplicates, okay. You'll get the data unique here, okay. And now we are going to see consolidating duplicate values, okay. If you have a duplicate values, there are a chance you will want to combine them in some way or another, okay. So there is option called consolidation features in Excel that can help you to do this, okay. The consolidate mini gives you a lot of option for the final value after consolidation. We will just look at average here, but there are other useful options you can use. So we are going to see the second example. We have stock values May, stock values June, okay. So what we would need, we require May, June average, okay. Average stock value, okay. So these are the company and these are the stock values. May and June, company name is the same, okay. So let's see the magic, okay. There is option called, you just need to go to data. There is option called consolidate. Just click on that, okay. And see, here is option called function. You can do a lot of things from here. You can summarize both the sheet. You can count, average, max, min, so on, okay. In this time we would require the average, okay. So just click on that, click OK. See, got it? You want to check manually? See, 59.81 and this one is 44.4. If you put average function also, see 51.93 means it is correct, okay. So this function is very useful. Consolidate, you can do anything from here. See, if I click here and I want to summarize this, just click on sum, okay. See, you got the sum also, stock values May and stock value June. So this is very useful function, consolidate. Most of the people doesn't know where it is and how to use it, okay. But after watching this video, your knowledge will be increased, okay. So I hope you understood how to find out the duplicates and how to remove it, how to highlight them. Okay, and there is one more option. If you want to remove, suppose this is the name, you can just copy here, and if you want to remove this, go to data, and here is option remove duplicates. Just click on that, click OK. See, 4 values, duplicate values found and removed. You need 21. Got it? So I hope you understood, and if you have any query regarding this, you can email me. I will solve your query. Don't need to worry about this. Don't need to go anywhere. Just watch my video. We will see in our next video. Have a great day.